Alright, let's get back to our reassembly. So here we have our two magnets, and we have our magnets, and they are reluctant to come apart, to say the least. So we'll put these guys into place. One on each side. They can be fun to fiddle with. Just try to get them in there, because they will just fit one way. Alright, so here's the best way to make sure they're in the right direction, as you get them close. You'll see them jump. So it'll help you get them installed correctly. Now they're in their happy place. Now we can get the keypad back into place here. So the slider is obviously shut now. We'll flip over the keyboard, drop the keyboard into position, make sure we've got that all nice and snug. No screws holding this together. This is just straightforward push fit. Here's our cover with the two packing peanuts in there. You can feel them compressing, and we're just going to snug everything back together here. I like working my way from the TiVo button end back to the screw end. That's kind of the way it came apart. Let's just get it all back together. And then we've got our screw. Take our Phillips screw. If you're fortunate enough to have a magnetized tip on your screwdriver, pretty easy to get it back in. If you're not, you can use one of those high-powered magnets to magnetize. If you don't have a magnetized tip screwdriver, you can magnetize it with the magnets that are here. Alright, so now we've got this slider functioning back the way we want it to. Let's put our batteries back in. And let's see if we get pretty lights. There we go. Back to normal. And hopefully this is a permanent fix. And I just turned on my TV, even though the TV is that way. So it's working just as expected. Hope you found this useful.